Smiley Face Donny says, hello Forsen, happy birthday to Nina, also Phil's birthday man. I heard you were a god at FPS games like Overwatch, Valorant, CSGO, so I thought this game here would be very easy for the god gamer. Slaughter map, UV, fast, no hit run. If these were Minecraft archers, he would be dead 10 times over. Just saying. Bullet though? 3D. Oh, this is TAS. Bro. Motherfucker, don't like me this fucking TAS bullshit. Fucking. I was starting to get impressed. Bruh. Don't call someone a god gamer and then you fucking bring out fucking TAS shit in my face. Very Pogdon says this onion plays better than you, little W. Timestamp, alright. If there's a timestamp, we gotta mute. Because if we don't mute. Here you go, chat. Did I miss it? No, I don't think so. Let me remind you that I have a Twitch rival second place Apex Legend trophy on its way still. Alright, let me remind you, alright? Just saying, alright? Not first. It's not my fault. Fucking CS pros and shit, alright? We're playing in the fucking tourney, alright? But let me tell you, second place. Not far from it, alright? The absolute god gamer. Weebs and Donut says daily flush E.
And that's what they were keeping the baby.
Bro. Can we stop linking
Samus
this every day?
Samus, is that your gun? Is that your laser gun, or are you just
I don't know.
excited to
I don't know who this is. All right.
There's like so many.
And I get
these
so many
little
fucking
itty bitty.
clips. All right. All these VTubers, unless it's a particularly funny or interesting clip. All right. I don't need to read their diary entries every day. Boys, thank you. Speaking of nukes, forgive the dramatic music, it's from early 70s. $6.892. Is that sounds decent, but not ridiculous. It's a lot. How deep underground was that? Two meters. Then you would have seen the explosion. It must have been way deeper.
Seismic recordings of the test registered a magnitude of 6.8 on the Richter scale as a direct result of the detonation. Over 1,000 aftershocks with magnitudes as great as 4.0 on the Richter scale were recorded within the first 30 days following the blast. The energy produced by the detonation caused the surface of the island directly above the device to rise 25 feet. Large portions of the coastline collapsed into the sea for a stretch of 2 miles from ground zero. The beach and ocean floor in the near vicinity of the Kaneken site were permanently raised 5 feet.
Permanently raised.
The detonation of this weapon was the main motivating factor in the creation of the Greenpeace organization.
What? What have you done? What have you done?